Hello viewers, this is a tutorial on how to automate private whitelist on Pinterest using Socinator. Whitelisted users are the users you want Socinator to interact with. So these are the users you want to protect or prioritize. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your Pinterest account and hit Go to Tools. It will take you to the account configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on Pinterest through Socinator. Let's scroll to the right and click Private Whitelist. There are two important sections. So on the left, you can enter the usernames you want to be whitelisted, and on the right are the list of whitelisted users. Let's start on the left side. So enter the usernames you want to be whitelisted, one username per line. Let's say you want to whitelist Bruce Wayne, for example. Type it in this area, then enter, because only one username per line. Let's say you want to whitelist James Bond as well, then type the username in this area. This button will allow you to clear the users you have entered here. So if you click it, then they're gone. So let's type them again, enter, then the second one. When you're ready, click the green button, Add to Whitelist. And they are successfully added to the whitelisted users on the right. So you can refresh using this button. Sometimes the list might not add everyone, so you might need to click the refresh button. You may also remove users from this whitelist. So simply select the username by clicking on their box. So you can select one or more, or you may click the select all box over here and it will select everyone. When you're ready to remove, simply click the blue button, Remove Selected from Whitelist, and they're gone. So it removes only the selected users from the whitelist. Now let me show you another option in automating private whitelist on Pinterest using Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the Social drop-down button and select Pinterest. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the Settings tab and select Whitelist Users on the left side of the app. So let's follow the same steps from earlier. Enter the usernames we want to whitelist on the left side. Then one username per line. Again, you may clear using this button. And when you're ready, click the green button, Add to Whitelist. Success! But as you can see, they did not appear right away. So let's click the refresh button over here and they're here. So again, you may remove whitelisted users from this list by selecting them. So you can select one or more or all of them by clicking the select all box over here. And when you're ready, click the blue button, Remove Selected from Whitelist, and they're gone. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot and thank you so much for watching.